Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, today we are learning about using this and that. This and that are demonstrative pronouns. They are used to point out or identify something. This is used to refer to something that is near. That is used to refer to something that is far away. This is a pencil. This is a toy cat. That is a bag. That is a toy car. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.